Today we are going to learn about creating interactive histograms with Matplotlib. You will learn how to implement, customize, and integrate interactive histograms for enhanced data exploration and presentation. Welcome to our session on creating interactive histograms with Matplotlib. Today, we'll explore the importance of interactive visualizations in the realm of data science. Interactive visualizations are not just visually appealing, they are crucial for effective data exploration and insightful presentations. By making your data interactable, you empower your audience to delve deeper into the analytics, uncover hidden patterns, and understand the underlying trends. We'll start with an overview of Matplotlib, a powerful plotting library in Python, and how it integrates seamlessly with interactive libraries to enhance your data visualizations. Let's get started. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive deeper into the world of interactive plotting libraries. One of the most popular libraries is Plotly, known for its high-quality interactive plots. Plotly is a versatile library that offers a wide range of chart types and is compatible with a variety of programming languages, including Python. It stands out due to its ability to create dynamic visualizations that can be easily shared and embedded. When comparing Plotly with other libraries such as Bokeh and Altair, Plotly's user-friendly API and extensive documentation make it a preferred choice for many data scientists. Moreover, Plotly's seamless integration with Matplotlib allows for easy conversion of static plots into interactive ones. In this block, we'll explore how Plotly can enhance your Matplotlib histograms and provide you with the tools needed to start creating interactive plots. Understanding these tools will enable you to craft compelling visualizations that captivate and inform your audience. Before we plunge into creating interactive histograms, it's essential to set up an interactive environment. Jupyter Notebook is an excellent platform for this purpose due to its interactive nature and ease of use. First, ensure you have Jupyter Notebook installed on your machine. Next, you'll need to install the necessary Python libraries. This includes Matplotlib for plotting and Plotly for interactivity. Use pip or conda to install these libraries. Once installed, open a Jupyter Notebook and configure the environment to enable interactive plots. This involves loading the Plotly extension and setting the display option to Notebook or Inline to ensure your plots render interactively within the notebook. Finally, test your setup by creating a simple interactive plot to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Setting up this environment is a crucial step in harnessing the power of interactive visualizations, ensuring you can seamlessly transition from static to dynamic data representations. With our environment ready, it's time to transform static histograms into interactive ones. Static plots are great for print and simple presentations, but interactive plots offer a richer data exploration experience. To convert a Matplotlib histogram into an interactive one, we can leverage Plotly's capabilities. Start by creating a standard histogram using Matplotlib. Once you have your static plot, import Plotly's graph objects and use the plotly.tools.mpl_to_plotly function to convert the Matplotlib figure into a Plotly figure. This function translates the static plot into an interactive one, adding features like hover tooltips and zooming capabilities. As you work through this process, you may encounter common issues such as mismatched color schemes or missing labels. Always check Plotly's documentation for troubleshooting tips and ensure your Matplotlib figures are cleanly structured before conversion. By following these steps, you can enhance your data visualizations, providing a more engaging experience for your audience.
Customizing interactive features like hover and zoom is crucial for creating compelling visualizations. These features enhance user interaction, allowing viewers to engage with the data more meaningfully. Hover labels, for instance, provide additional information about data points when the user hovers over them. In Plotly, you can customize these labels to display specific data attributes, such as percentage or additional context. Similarly, adjusting zoom levels lets users focus on particular data sections, offering a detailed view of the data distribution. To implement these customizations, modify the plot layout and trace settings in Plotly. Use the layout.hoverMode attribute to control hover behavior and the layout.zaxis and layout.yaxis attributes to set the zoom range. Code examples and Plotly's documentation can guide you through these configurations, ensuring your interactive histograms are both informative and engaging. By personalizing these features, you create a dynamic and user-friendly visualization experience. Integrating widgets with your interactive histograms can elevate the user experience by enabling real-time data filtering. Widgets are powerful tools that allow users to manipulate data inputs dynamically, providing an interactive element that static plots lack. By connecting widgets such as sliders or drop-downs with Plotly, users can filter data based on specific criteria, updating the histogram in real time. This interaction offers deeper insights into the dataset, as users can explore different segments of the data effortlessly. Implementing this feature involves creating widgets using libraries like IPWidgets and linking them to the Plotly figure. You can use the widget's value change event to update the data displayed in the histogram. This integration not only enhances the usability of your visualizations but also empowers users to conduct their own analyses, fostering a more engaging and insightful data exploration process. Interactive histograms offer numerous advantages in the realm of data analysis. One of the primary benefits is enhanced data exploration. By allowing users to interact with the data directly, they can uncover patterns and insights that might be missed in static representations. This interactivity also translates to greater audience engagement, as users are more likely to immerse themselves in the data when they can manipulate and explore it firsthand. Additionally, interactive histograms facilitate complex analyses by offering real-time updates based on user input, enabling users to test hypotheses and visualize outcomes dynamically. This capability is particularly valuable in decision-making processes, where understanding the nuances of the data is crucial. By integrating interactive histograms into your data analysis workflow, you not only improve the clarity and appeal of your visualizations but also empower users to make informed decisions backed by thorough data exploration. While creating interactive histograms offers many benefits, it also comes with its set of challenges. One common issue is performance, especially when dealing with large datasets. Interactive plots can become sluggish, impacting the user experience. To address this, consider optimizing your data processing or using sampling techniques to reduce the dataset size without losing significant insights. Compatibility problems between Matplotlib and Plotly can also arise, particularly with complex plots. Ensuring both libraries are up to date and referring to the latest documentation can help mitigate these issues. Debugging interactive features like hover and zoom can be tricky, as small configuration errors can lead to unexpected behavior. Carefully reviewing your code and using Plotly's debugging tools can aid in resolving these challenges. Managing large datasets efficiently and leveraging community resources, such as forums and documentation, are essential strategies for troubleshooting. By anticipating and addressing these challenges, you can create seamless and effective interactive histograms. Creating user-friendly interactive histograms requires a focus on several best practices. First and foremost, prioritize the user experience. Your visualizations should be intuitive, allowing users to navigate and interact with the data effortlessly. This involves designing clear and concise hover labels, intuitive zoom controls, and responsive widgets. Maintaining visual clarity is also crucial, as cluttered or overwhelming visuals can detract from the data's message. Use consistent color schemes and avoid overloading the plot with unnecessary details. Performance optimization is another key aspect, ensuring that your interactive histograms remain responsive even with complex datasets. Regular testing and updates are essential to keep your visualizations running smoothly and to incorporate user feedback. By adhering to these best practices, you create interactive histograms that are not only informative but also engaging and accessible, enhancing the overall data exploration experience for your audience. As we wrap up our session on creating interactive histograms with Matplotlib, let's recap what we've learned. We've explored the importance of interactivity in data visualizations and how it empowers data exploration and decision-making. By integrating libraries like Plotly with Matplotlib, we've transformed static plots into dynamic ones, enhancing user engagement and insight discovery. We've also covered best practices, troubleshooting tips, and the benefits of using widgets for real-time data filtering. As you continue your journey in data visualization, consider experimenting with different interactive features and exploring additional resources to further hone your skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this session insightful and inspiring.